Namaste students, I am Dr. Komal Rathor, Assistant Professor Kamal Bhatia in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science. Students, today we will
बाल परीक्षण विधि एवं शिशु वेदना परिज्ञानम in modern examination of sick child and diagnostic method according to Ayurveda and modern. So let's get start. First of all, बाल परीक्षण विधि एवं शिशु वेदना. According to Ayurveda, in Kashyap Samhita, Acharya described detailed description about diagnostic method of different disease in Sutrasthan Vedanadhyaya. So first is बाल का नाम वर्चसाम विविध देह वेदना प्रादुर्भूता कथम वेदो जान्यात लक्षणात तथा. काश्यप सूत्रस्थान 25/4. It means various difficulty those cannot describe by children, how a physician should know only on the basis of clinical feature. So that's called in this shlokas, Balka Nam Varchasam Vivid Deh Vedana Pradurbhuta Katham Vedana Janyat Lakshana Arthata. So in this series, P Ayamanasya रूपाणी ज्वर छर्दी अतिसारेषु वैद्यो दृष्टवेव जानियेत कृच्छम सर्वम न सिद्ध्यति. Means looking the features of fever, vomiting, diarrhea, the physician should know the curability. In the presence of all about symptoms, the children is not cured. So description of different symptoms with related disease are as follow. First is Shirashul. So the symptoms is Brasham Shiro Spandyati, means rolls the head too much. Brasham Sira Spandyati, Nimilyati Chakshusha, closes the eyes. Avkujan, like gripping. Aswapnam, insomnia. Arati, become dull. Second is Karna Vedana. Karno Sparshati Hastabhyam. The child touches the ear with both hands. Shiro Brahmyati Brasham, rolling the head too much. Arati, become dull. Arochak means anorexia, and aswapna means insomnia. So insomnia and arati is common in Shirashul and Karn Vedana. Mukhrog Lala Stravam Atyartam, excessive salivation. Stanya Dvesh means refusal to feed. Arati, become dullness. Nasha Shwas, breathing from nose. Pitam Udgarti Shiram means expelling the ingested food. And Kant Vedana means Pitam Udgarti Sthanyam, expelling the ingested food. Vishtambi Shleshma Sevina means congestion. Jwar means fever. Glani, uneasiness. Aruchi, become dullness. Next is Adhijivika. So Lala Strav, excessive salivation. Aruchi means become dullness. Glani, Kapola Shavatu, swelling on the scalp. Mukhasya Vivrattatvam, opening of the mouth continuously. So it is the Adhijivika symptoms. Galgraha means Lala Strav, excessive salivation. Aruchi means dullness, become dullness. Jwar. Kantshota clinical feature is Aruchi, Shirashul, and Jwar. And Jwar clinical feature is Muhur Nimyate Angani, flexing the body parts repeatedly. Dhatri Milyante Akasmat, suddenly clings the mother. Stanam na atyabhyandeti, refusal to feed. Ushnatvam, feeling high temperature of the body. Vavarnya means discoloration. Coughing and lalatasya atitiptata, excessive vomit of forehead. Aruchi and padayo shatyam, coldness of feet. Now next clinical feature is atisar. So atisar is Dhavyavarnya, Ariti, Mukhaglani, Anidra, Vatkarma Nivrate. So next is Udarshul. Udarshul's clinical symptom is Istanam Viudraste, Roti, Uttanascha Bhajyate, Udarastabdita, Shatyam and Mukhswed. Roti means excessive crying. Uttanascha Bhajyate means sleeping in the supine position. And Udarastabdita means tightening of abdomen. Udarshul, this clinical symptom is all. Mukhsvedam, perceptions on mouth. Now next is Chhardi. Animitam Bhikshanam cha Yasya Udgar Pravarte. Repeated eructation. Nidra and Jramba. Next is Shwas. Shwas is Nishtina iti ursa ati ushnam. The breath from the chest is hot in nature. Hikka is Akasmat Marut Udgaro. Sudden air eructations. Next is Anaha. Anaha clinical symptom is Vishal Stabdnayane, Parva Bhede, Klami, Ariti, Sanruddha Mutra Anil Vitta. Means Vishal Stabdnayane means wide open eyes due to pain in the abdomen. Parva Bhed means pain in fingers. Ariti become dullness and Klam is exhaustion. And Sanruddha Mutra Anilvit means retention of urine, flatus and feces. Now Akasmat Attahasan, sudden loud laughing. It is Apasmar clinical features. Now on Unmad. Unmad is Pralap, unrelated speech. Ariti means become dullness, and Vachitya, instability of mind. Now Mutrakrach is Rom Harsh, querying, Ang Harsh, shivering of the body parts, Mutrakaleche Vedna, pain during urination, Oshtidashan, biting of the lips, Basti, Sparshti Panina, using the touching the bladders with the hand. Now, next clinical feature of Prameha. Prameha's clinical symptom is Gaurav, Jadya, Akasmat, Mutra Nirgama, Makshika Kantam Mutram, Shwetam Ghanam Tatha. Means Gaurav means happiness, heaviness, Jadya means dullness, Akasmat Mutra Nirgaman means sudden excretion of urine, Makshika Kantam Mutram, Shwetam Ghanam Tatha. Flies cover the urine and urine is a white and concentrated. Now Arsh. Arsh is Baddha Pakva Purishatvam Saraktam means well formed solid stool and stool passing the blood. Krashatmana, the emaciated child. Good Nishpedan, pain in anal region. Kandu means itching, Tod means pricking pain. Now Ashmari. Ashmari is Sar Sharkara Ati Mutratvam, voiding too much urine with sugar. Mutra Kaleche Vedna, dysuria. Pratatam Rodanam, crying continuously. Shama means weakness. Next is Visarp. Visarp is Raktamandal ko utpatti, appearance of red patches, Trishna, Daha, Jwar or Ariti. Swadu Sheet Upshayitvam means palliation from sweet and cold article. Next is Visuchika. Visuchika is Dahyate Angani, burning sensation in the body parts. Suchante means being pricking with needles. Bhajante means being broken. Radishulyate che vardate, increase the pain in cardiac region. Radishulya che vardate. Next is Alasak. Alasak is Shironadharati, unable to hold the head. Bidyante, twisting the body. Jramba means yawning. Istanam Pibyati Natyartham, refusal of feed. Krathitam chardhyate api, vomiting, knotting material. Vishad means uneasiness. Adyaman means tympanitis. Next is Chakshu Rog. Chakshu Rog means Drashti Vyakulta, difficulty in vision. Tod means prickling pain. Shot means happiness, inflammation, sorry. Shul means pain. Ashru, lacrimation. And Raktata means redness. Suptasya cha uplipyanti chakshushi means I get smeared during sleep. Next is Shushka Kandu. Drishyate Angani Shayane means eating. Rodati and Mardanam, crying and rubbing. Ardhakandu Sukhayate Mradmanam cha Shuyate. Get pleasure in rubbing, and rubbing causes swelling. Shunam Stravati, discharge with the rubbed area. Shul Dhayavat, with pain and burning sensation. Next is Amdosha. Amdosha symptoms is Stamitya Aruchi Nidra, Gatra Panduta, Ramnam Shan Shayadinam, Dhatri Che Drashti Nityascha. Means Shatya means stiffness, anorexia, excessive sleep, paleness of the body, Gatra Panduta, Ramana Ashan Shayadinam, Dhatri Che Drashti Nitya Ashna, continuous hatred from play, food, sleep, and mother. रमण अशन शयादी नाम धात्री च द्वेष्टि नित्य अशन. ओके. अस्नात 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 रूपश्च स्नातश्च अस्नात स्नात दर्शना has appearance of bathed when unbathed and unbathed when bathed. Next is Pandu Roga. Pandu is Nabhyam Samantita Shodha, swelling around the umbilicus. Shwet Akshi Nakhavakrita, whiteness of eyes and discomfort of nails. Agni Sadha, loss of appetite. Shavathushcha Akshi Kutayo, swelling in both eye pits. Next is Kamala. Kamala means Pita Chakshu Nakh Mukh Vrnamutrta, yellowness of eyes, nail, face, urine. Nirutsaha, letharginess. Nasht Agni Rudhir Spraha, diminished digestion and desire for blood. Next is penis. Penis is muhur mukher uch swasti pitva stanam tuya. During sucking of breast, the child taking mouth, breathing repeatedly, stravto nasike, running nose, lalatam cha abhitapate, vomit of forehead. Sroto asya astra bhishanam sprashti. Repeated touches the orifice. Srotasya astra bhiksham sprashti. Repeated touches the orifice. Shroti means sneezing and kasti means coughing. Jantu dransh means swast vrat paro balo na shete tu yada nishi. The healthy child does not sleep well at night. Swasvrat parobalo na sheti tu yada nishi. Rakt bindushchitascha has appearance of red spot over the body. Next is Graha Roga. Bhasmangar Ritu Shadinam Adhirohan Sevanam. The child used and sit over head of ember of calf. Rodasya Akasmat Trasti, crying sudden and get frightening. Chayashil Viparya, changing in the luster of the body. Alpashito, takes less diet. Ati Virmutrasya Satva Vrinmutro Viparyo, get alternate diarrhea and constipation. Ati Virmutrasya Vipano Mutra Viparyo, na ya shirodharati, does not able to hold the head. So that's all about, according to Ayurveda, clinical features of some diseases. According to Acharya Kashyap, if children is not able to describe detail about their symptoms, then this is some clinical features on the basis of physician that very useful to identify some diseases. So hope you like that session. It is useful to you. And if you have any query, then you can ask me next session. In next session, we will discuss diagnostic method of or examination of sick child in next session. So that's all about this session. Hope you like that session. Thank you so much.